Hello my friends. Today's video is entitled Today, Let's Get It Done. Today, every day is today. Today, let's get it done, whatever it is. If it's a Renew Your Spirit Day, let's get it done. Let's get up in the morning and do your routines and then have your Renew Your Spirit Day. If you're a payroll homemaker and it's a Sunday and it's now afternoon, then it's time to do your planning and desk day. Today, let's get it done. Let's say that you are an at-home homemaker and today is Monday and it's weekly home blessing hour. So when you wake up in the morning, you've already looked at your planner, you looked at it last night, you've looked at it again this morning. Today, let's get it done. Not tomorrow, not yesterday, today. We're not worried about yesterday. Yesterday is a cancel check. Today is a promissory note. Yes, tomorrow is a promissory note. Today is all you've got. So today, let's get it done. Just it. Not yesterday's work, not tomorrow's work, just it. Today's work. Let's get it done. So again, if it's a Monday and your weekly home blessing hour is due today because you're an at-home homemaker, then you're going to get up in the morning, throw off the covers and say, today, let's get it done. You're going to sit up in the bed, put your feet on the floor, stand up, take a breath and say, today, let's get it done. You're going to go to the bathroom and you're going to brush your teeth and you're going to wash your face and you're going to moisturize your skin and you're going to say, today, let's get it done. Then you're going to wipe out your sink and swish your toilet, and then you're going to go to the next bathroom and wipe out the sink and swish the toilet. And if you have 3 or 4 of those bathrooms, you're going to wipe out the sinks and swish the toilets, and you're going to say, today, let's get it done. And then you're going to go in your bedroom, if you haven't already done it, and you're going to make your bed, and you're going to put your clothes on, and you're going to say, today, let's get it done. You're going to go into the kitchen and empty the dishwasher and put all the dishes away, and look at that empty dishwasher and that clean sink, and you're going to say, today, let's get it done. You're going to go start a load of laundry and go through an inch of paper, and you're going to say, yes, today, let's get it done. Because today is all you've got. And it's not hard. The things I'm asking you to do are not hard, but they are things to do. Okay? So then you're going to get your children up and you're going to say to the kids, today, let's get it done. Let's make your bed and put on your clothes. Let's wash your face and brush your teeth and rinse out the sink and comb your hair. Hang up your towel and come to the kitchen for breakfast and let's get this day done. And then after breakfast, you're going to clean up the dishes real quick and you're going to look at your kitchen and you're going to say, that looks great. Today, let's get it done. And then if your kids go to school or you homeschool them or they're doing at-home distance learning, doesn't matter what it is, you're going to get the children set up for that. And you're going to say, today, let's get it done. And then you're going to do 15 minutes in your zone. And when you're done with that, you're going to complete the process by putting the trash in the garbage, by putting the giveaway in the trunk, by putting the put away up. And you're going to say, yes, today, let's get it done. Actually, I'd like you to get that done before the kids get situated with school if you are homeschooling. Okay. And then whatever school is happening is going to happen, whether you're homeschooling or your children are distance learning or your children are at school. And if you are homeschooling, you know it takes a whole lot less time. So when school is over, if you must administer schooling to them, if they're not independent yet, that hour and a half or whatever it is that you have to spend with them, then you're going to say, today, let's get it done. And then when that's done, your children are free. They can assist you or they can be at play, whatever you choose, while you do your basic weekly plan. And that would be, in this example, the weekly home blessing hour. In my head, you're going to give 3 of those little jobs away: emptying all the little garbage cans, wiping the glass spots, and dusting the furniture with your feather duster. Those you can give away, depending on the age of the child and their maturity level. And then only things you have left to do are, well, this morning I would have wanted you to strip the bed, not make the bed, my bad. Strip the bed, wash the sheets. Now may be time to make sure they're in the dryer, or if they're dry, to put them back on the bed or beds. And as you're saying it, you say, today, let's get it done. And then the last part of this is the floors. You're going to mop and you're going to vacuum your floors. And when you're all done, you're going to put your things away nicely and take care of your equipment and wipe your hands and put your hands on your hip, put your feet apart, do the Superwoman stance and say, today I got it done, y'all. Today I got it done. And that's what you're going to do. Then you're going to serve supper, have after dinner routine. Along the way, you're doing clutter checks, before bed routine, and before bed routine for your children as well. And then that little last part where you actually get ready to go into the bedroom, you do that little less part of the kitchen, you change the towel out, you make sure the sink is dry and shiny, the dishwasher's running, and then you go and brush and floss your teeth, get in bed, look at your planner, see what's up for tomorrow. How did you do today? Yes, today I got it done. I got it done. Because you rock as the CEO of your house when you get it done. So today, get it done. Okay, so let's talk about this. I know that sounded a little preachy, but I want it to really stick in your head like a song that won't go away. I wanted to say, today let's get it done, because I want you to get it done. I don't want you sitting around worrying about what happens tomorrow or what you didn't do yesterday. I want you to get it done. So today let's get it done. So let's revisit another day. We won't put the today let's get it done in it. I want that to be in your head. But let's look at a free day, a Tuesday, if you're an at-home homemaker. Free day. You're going to get up in the morning. You're going to stand up. You might need to run to the bathroom, come back and make your bed and put on your clothes, which you laid out last night when you were getting ready for bed. And then you're going in the bathroom and you're going to brush your teeth and wash your face and put on some moisturizer and your makeup and comb your hair and maybe put your earrings in. And you're already dressed and looking good for the day. Then we're going to squirt out the sink and give it a little wipe, swish the toilet and flush it. And then we're going to go to the other bathrooms that need that and wipe the sinks and swish the toilets. We're going to go in the kitchen, wash our hands, empty the dishwasher, and then we're going to go make a load of laundry, get it going in that washing machine, because every day we get it done, every day. And then we wake up our children and have them go through a similar process. They get up, they make their bed, they put on their clothes that were laid out last night, by them or you. They go into the bathroom, they brush their teeth, they wash their face, they comb their hair, they wipe out that sink that you've already cleaned, they hang up their towel, and they come to the kitchen for the breakfast that you've already prepared for them or begun to prepare for them, because you're their mom. Now, that's not saying they can't prepare breakfast and you can't teach them how, but let's prepare breakfast for them first before we teach them how. And what that's all about is sitting down at the table and having breakfast together, taking the bowls and the plates and the spoons to the dishwasher or the sink, getting the dishes taken care of, wiping the table if there's a spill or a crumb, wiping the counter if the same thing is there, wiping the stove if maybe you fried some eggs or scrambled some eggs, washing the pot. These things have to happen. It's not hard, it's easy. It just has to happen. And you don't want to do it if you're spoiled and you have bad habits. You've spoiled yourself and you've spoiled your children, spoiled in a bad way. You've spoiled yourself in a way that makes it hard and seems hard to do the things we need to get done, when it really is not hard. That's a fib. It's easy. We just have to do it over and over again. And one day you will look back and you'll say, you know what, Kat? You're right, it wasn't hard. It was easy. I was making it hard because I had spoiled myself by allowing myself to just give up. And I don't want you to give up. That's my whole wish for you. My whole drive is to help you have a better life. And so if you say, I'm going to say it one more time, today, let's get it done, you're going to change yourself. You're going to change your heart. You're going to change your home. And you're going to change your family. That's my dream for you. That's my wish for you. I want you to have a better life. I want your kids to have a better life. And I'd love you to be able to pass this down from generation to generation so that no one has to live like you were living before. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day. I hope that today you get it done. And I hope you always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.